Talofa, talofa, talofa lava. O lo uingoa o Tara Amalisulu. Wa'u o Sifulutolu o Tausanga. Not right. This is Tara and Dad. This is our live jam session. So yeah, come in and laugh at us. But yeah. And I hear Maidie's here. Hi, Maidie. Hi.
Hey, Maidie. Nice.
Who's Maidie?
All right.
Okay, we are going to start with a song from, is it Stevie Nicks or Fleetwood Mac, or whatever it's called Landslide. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. But yeah. Oh, and this is my little sister Sophia. Yeah. Do you want me to take harmony and then you do melody?
Welcome, and if this is the first time you're watching, welcome, welcome.
Welcome. Not welcome. Oh.
Okay, let's go. Climbed the mountain and I turned around, and I saw my reflection in a snow-covered hill when a landslide brought me down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can a child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through the changing ocean tides? Can I handle the seasons of my life? Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I build my life around you. But time makes you older, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I build my life around you. But time makes you older, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. So took my love and I took it down. I climbed the mountain and I turned around, and I heard the changing ocean tides. Can I handle the seasons of my life? Took my love and I took it down. I climbed the mountain and I turned around, and I saw my reflection in a snow
Landslide.
That was
That was
almost a landslide.
almost
a-
a landslide.
Yep, you got
So
the
forget the words at the end.
forget the words.
See, I'm not the only one that forgets the words, guys.
So what's the song name? She's drinking the singing potion.
Yeah, it's a singing potion, guys.
Yeah, to turn her voice.
Hi. Bro, are you okay? Ooh. Yeah, calm lalo.
So what's the point in all this? Nah, basically we just like to sing as a family.
Yo.
No, I actually begged him to come and do it,
Ish.
so.
And we thought we might just do it online
Yeah.
rather than keep it to ourselves. Eh?
To ourselves, yeah.
You can come and watch us make mistakes and
Yes.
see the other side. What's another song, Tara?
What? Family High by Sophia.
Oh my god.
Who is that?
Uncle Luffy.
Oh,
Uncle Luffy's on.
eh.
He said, good evening, family. Hi, Sophia.
Hey,
Wow,
who's
not how to meet.
Song
Wow.
LOL.
Wow. And he said, can Fia sing a song? LOL.
No.
Hey.
Yeah, nah.
Uncle
Get out,
Luffy.
bro. Get out, bro. Hi, Uncle Luffy.
Yeah. Fia is gonna sing a song soon.
See.
Soon.
Yeah, go sit down, bro. Yeah, it's not your time yet. Calm down, bro.
Okay, what's your next song?
Let's do that. What's that song called?
It's called These Small Hands.
Small hands.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Small Hands.
This is, guys, this is Small Hands by Teddy Swims. Amazing song. He made it last year and he dedicated it to his son, who was also born last year, I think.
Yeah.
Or the year before. Yeah, I didn't.
Trying it with the key color this time.
Yes.
All right. Let's go.
Leg out. Get out.
My whole life I've been waiting for someone to fix this broken man. Every moment a twist of fate, but it made me who I am. I'd be lying if I told you that I knew I had a life before there was you. But these small hands, they don't care where I come from, where I've been. Oh, I never loved myself until the day I held these small hands.
You.
Wow. There was no getting ready, but I'm glad I'm overwhelmed. The way you look back at me, it's like I finally see myself in your mother's eyes. It's like they were made for you, but I can't lie, I got so much work to do. These small hands, they don't care where I come from, where I've been. Oh, I never loved myself until the day I held these small hands. Da, 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 da. Ooh. I'm not sure where I'd be if not for these small hands that don't care where I'm from and where I've been. Oh, I never loved myself until the day I held these small hands. Yeah, don't mind that last these, but yeah.
Tease.
These small hands. Yeah, don't mind that, guys. It's totally nothing, hey.
Wow.
Like, you didn't hear that.
No one else. So we gotta still wait.
Hey, sit down, please.
Okay, what's
Da-da.
I bet you can do it again after I sing a song.
Another song. Another song. What if we do?
Something in the orange.
What if we do?
Wagon wheel.
Dad, do you know how to do Carry You Home? Bro. Dad, should we do?
No. What are the chords for that?
C, E. Oh wait. Oh yeah, I've completely forget
I
the
want C magic
actual
chords.
chords. Wait, can you play a C, E, and G? Or E minor? Yeah.
That one? Oh,
I hope you know. Yeah. Yeah, do you want to do that one?
yeah.
Yes! Okay, guys, this is Carry You Home by Alex Warren. He dedicated it to his wife, Kova.
I hope I do it right.
We were talking to the sunset, throwing dreams against the walls. I know none of them have stuck yet, but I'll bet it on you, honey. Oh, I would risk it all. These days, these nights are changing. My heart, my mind is set on you. I'm not afraid to say it's true. Oh, I hope you know I will carry you home, whether it's tonight or 55 years down the road. Oh, I know there's so many ways that this could go. I don't want you to wonder, darling, I need you to know. In this and every life, I choose us every time. Oh, 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 oh. We were California dreaming. Oi. My whole life fit in that car. Didn't have a bed to sleep in. We kept each other warm under the ceiling full of stars. These days, these nights are changing. My heart, my mind is set on you. I'm not afraid to say it. It's true.
You know.
I will carry you home, whether it's tonight or 55 years down the road. Oh, I know there's so many ways that this could go. I don't want you to wonder, darling, I need you to know. In this and every life, I choose us every time. Oh, oh, yeah. So
That would have been awkward if that wasn't the end of the song.
Oh, yo. I mean, Alex Warren, like, you could leave me up on stage at your...
Sorry, guys.
Like, if like you could invite me to your concert and then I could go up on stage and sing.
The list, so they didn't make a list.
Or you could let me press the confetti button, like, surely. Or you could let me say Cover's full name. Sorry.
Well. Guys, just don't pass this video on if you
Pass it on. Share it to everyone you know, and then make it viral, and then Alex Warren can see it, or Cover can see it.
This song here, it was requested last time from our friend from Seattle, eh?
Yep. Seattle, Washington, yeah.
Seattle, Washington in the last night.
Seattle, Washington.
So if you're watching back, we bought Sophia in.
Yeah, we bought Sophia so we could do it. So we could actually do it, guys.
Yeah. Yes.
And if you guys have followed our music, then you might know what song this is.
You guys might start coming a lot after I sing.
Oh, stop trying to be a
this
what
guy.
This guy,
Bruh.
what a feel famous here now.
Sorry guys, that's the end of our live for tonight.
Oh, yang ali, bro. Meow 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 meow. Sorry.
Sure.
Give it a go.
What gonna go?
Ui, there's an airplane.
Not sure if you guys can hear that plane. It's quite
It's a
loud.
plane. It sounds like an earthquake.
I can do a sound for you.
Next minute, everything shakes and it's an earthquake.
Yeah, before you sing, give me a legend.
Sorry.
No one has phones. That is stupid.
Sorry, bro.
That's all good.
Let's do it. You give me some
Sorry.
magic bullshit.
So yeah, this past weekend, we've had some pretty bad weather here in Auckland, or New Zealand. So
The
hopefully
Islander
everybody's safe
Yeah,
out there.
don't stop those.
Yeah.
Yeah, praise you all.
The Islander Cyclone Vaianu.
And normally my mom's watching.
What was the name?
Cyclone Vaianu.
Vaianu.
Yeah, Vaianu.
Vaianu.
See, I think that because it's an islander name, then it's gonna come on island time. Like the full thing is gonna come on islander time. Okay, no, I need to be quiet now. Okay, let's do the song. Stop making me look cringe, bro. Now.
Come on, guys, come
here we
out for me. Because we're in the background. No, I want to see.
Here we go.
You don't know what it's like for all your hopes to rise, to see them fall again with the setting sun. In my heart, you're the one. I know one day you would come for me. I will come for you. We'll grow old forever, together in love, to settle in the calm, following love's frown. It's just you and I, never let you down. I will never let you down.
Tamahana.
Hengalo koe i tōku lotu.
Tamahana.
It's just you and I for a lifetime.
I've always loved you, and not just for this lifetime. The promise made by this heart of mine. Oh,
You're the one. I know one day you would come for me. I will come for you, and we'll grow old forever, together in love, to settle in the calm, following love's frown. It's just you and I, never let you down. I will sorry. This is how we fight, guys.
Come on,
This is
guys.
how
Come
we
here.
fight.
Come here. Come here.
She thinks she's famous. No.
Do you guys want to do a song?
Yes.
Yes. Let's
Yes,
do-
Dave.
Oh, yo. Destroy the guitar. Sorry, bro.
Fiffy.
So this song, if you guys were here, if some of you guys were here the other night, I did. Did I do it on the other night? Yeah. So I did a song called "Something in the Orange" by Zach Bryan. It's a very cool song. I now know what it's about. Almost, but yeah. Anyways, no. I think it's about something. I think it's a breakup song or like a heartbreak song. Or I think, or like someone. Yeah. Okay, I need to be quiet. But anyways, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy it.
We sing the whole song together right now.
You sing the first chorus and then we both sing the. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Oh. Wait, I need to start it again. Guys, I'm so sorry.
Restart.
Womp womp.
Womp, womp.
Not me messing up a song that I actually like.
Come on.
Yeah. It'll be fun, but that's glad I'm telling you, baby. These things eat at your bones and drive your young moms crazy. But when you place your head between my collar and jaw, I don't know much, but there's no weight at all. And I'm damned if I do, and I'm damned if I don't. 'Cause if I say I miss you, I know that you won't. Oh, to you I'm just a man, to you I'm all I am. Where the hell am I supposed to go? Poison myself again, something in the orange tells me you're never coming home. You leave today, I'll just stare at the waves. The orange touches all things around. Grass, trees, and you, how I hate you. Please turn those headlights around. Did you hear you say you've been waiting all night? The orange dancing in your eyes from both light. Your voice suddenly trembles when you try to speak. Ooh. Take me back to us dancing this wood used to greet. To you I'm just a man, to you you're all I am. Where the hell am I supposed to go? Poison myself again, something in the orange tells me you're never going home. You leave today, I'll just stare at the waves. The orange touches all things around. Grass, trees, and dew, how I hate you. Please turn those headlights around. Please turn those headlights around. Oh.
Yeah, there's some
Yeah.
comments. Come on.
Totally not messing up. I totally did not mess up one time, eh, guys? You totally didn't
She did really
hear
good.
that.
This one is
Shush that. Shush. No one needs to know. Oh, yo. Oh, yo.
Goodbye, guitar.
Okay. Fia says there's 100 comments. Oh,
Oh
yeah.
my god. Wait, there's one down there. I think there's one down there.
What
I think there's like,
Bro.
is there one down there? That one?
Yes, see, Matey said love it. Oh.
Yeah, see, I know Maddie loves me.
Thanks, Matey.
But I don't know who she is. Sure, I don't know, but thank you, Maddie, anyway. Anyway, the next song will be, I haven't put it, I can't see the list.
Sophia, say it.
So the next song is some.
Alright, let's do
Sorry, bro. Sorry.
Gosh, you two.
Sorry, this is how fast we get distracted.
That's all I'm singing?
Okay.
We forget we're on camera.
Eh.
Forget
Alrighty.
we're rock stars.
That's
Sorry.
all I'm singing. Oh, I could sing with you guys. With my nose on.
Do you want to do that one?
What's that one? Oh yeah. Wait, if you can put on, it's alright. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Dad, could I sing
Guys,
a song
the-
that I know?
Prel. This song is Samoa Ma Popo Mai by the one and only Vania Toloa. Pelele Toloa I whea e maulawa I le vai e peo upu o le muangangana. Se ilunga e te moi I lau whala Pe malulu e te moe ma whanawhana Pe o whea o le nei lalo langi E te au mau ai e te mana tu ai lo atunu moni Te ilunga e te toe whai mai I le lau ele na foa I mai ele atua whai mo tofi Awe Samoa e Maopo po mai Ia e pei o le toloa Pelele I whea ai maaula vai le vai Samoa e Maopo po mai Ia e pei o le toloa Pelele I whea ai maaula vai le vai E wina au maui atu no e Se wawa mamau I wasai tele Samoa ele ngalo atu oe O hoi o la upe ni na tau tele O le tamai na tu ungutu mai O le ponga i o lo ata mai O te whawhetai O au tumanai e wana Whaalo alo sa se tangata O le ala le alo mita mita Peni na oi o le Pasifika O whaawai e tu mau Lau anga nui au mau Ia whaawawau Nau e Samoa e Maopo po mai Ia e pei a le toloa Pelele I whea ai maaula vai le vai
Nice.
Okay.
Do you want to try that one?
Yeah. Okay, guys. This is Olivia Dean, Man I Need. Y'all should try and do 3-part harmony on a worship song.
Is that from Maddie?
Yeah, from me.
Hey.
Oh. Then we should have got Lila
That'd be
down
our
here.
next one. You should chuck the suggestion on there, Maddie.
Yes,
That'd be
so then
cool.
we can learn it. Oh, not, but like,
Yeah, I'm
yeah,
gonna just
learn
write
how
this
to
up
do
and
it,
then
and then yeah. Fia, what are you doing?
I'm gonna wait here.
Come here. Now.
Okay. If you're just joining us,
Oh, she's leaving.
who?
Fia.
We'll see you after.
Bye, Fia.
Yeah,
Everybody say bye,
friends.
Sia.
Make sure to off this on the comments. I am gonna beat you up.
Oh.
Bye.
What? What did she say? If there's 100 comments, I'm gonna beat you up. How? What the flip, bro? Okay, guys, this is Man I Need by Olivia Dean, and yeah, I always sing it with my dad's band. And yeah, nah.
Yeah, the dad's by himself. Yeah.
and yeah.
All right, let's do it
Yeah.
anyway. Oh, now you gotta do the talk to
Oh
me part
yeah,
at the
I
beginning.
was thinking that. I'm like, oh yeah, guys, this is how we. This is how much we rehearsed.
Ah, to me. It's you.
Oh, sorry. Opera.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Talk to me, talk to me. Talk to me, talk to me. Looks like we're making up for lost time. Need you to spell it out for me. Busting over on all night. It's like a type of alchemy. Introduce me to your best friend. I can come slide right in. Satellite ain't even that far. I kinda wonder where you are. Already know I can leave it alone. You're on my mind. Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Just come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Whatever the type of talk it is, come on then. I gotta know you're meant to be the man I need. Talk to me, 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 talk to me. Be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man. Talk to me, young lady. Talk to me, be the man. I'd like to think you feel the same way, but I can't tell with you sometimes. So baby, let's get on the same page. Stop making me read between the lines. Already know I can leave it alone. You're on my mind. Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. This can't be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Whatever the type of talk it is, come on it. I gotta know you
thank you for that call.
Yeah, cool. No.
Ooh, I wonder who it was so we can name you on the live.
I totally didn't see who it was.
Alright, guys.
Okay, this next song is. Gonna do Fix You?
Ooh.
You try that.
What key do you want to do that one in? Can you sing songs that we've practiced?
Okay. Nah, when you try your best.
Still that one? Yeah.
Yeah. Hold up. When you try. Yeah.
I'm just gonna do my chords and then I promise I'll figure out the chords and stuff.
What?
I'll practice.
Wow.
Well, that's what happens when you pull the songs off.
Oh, sorry.
Last minute.
What? No. Oh, wait, this is practicing or is this us singing?
I was practicing.
Oh, yeah,
here we go.
okay. This is Fix You by Coldplay. A very nice song. When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse, and tears come streaming down your face when you lose something you can't replace, when you love someone but it goes to waste. Could it be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. And high up above, down below, when you're too in love to let it go. But if you never try, then you'll never know just what you're worth. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. Tears stream down your face when you lose something you cannot replace.
Oh,
Why does this make me so emotional?
who was that?
It makes too much.
That was cool.
I thought about it, and the one I've suggested is "What a Beautiful Name."
Ooh, that's a cool song. Sweet. Yeah,
Sorry,
we'll,
bro. I don't know that song.
we'll chuck that on our next live. Yeah, you will.
I'll know the song.
TikTok.
Huh?
That's what a beautiful name.
I'll learn it.
You can learn it, man.
I'll learn it.
We'll get Sophia to sing
Don't
it.
worry. Oh,
She'll
find
get
it.
the 100 comments.
The 100 comments. Woo.
So yeah, if you just joined us, we just like to
So,
muck around, sing
yeah.
as a family, and
And then you
we
can
just
laugh
thought
with
we'd just come on and do it online for you.
Yeah.
If you're watching this as well and you want us to try some new songs,
Just suggest it in the comments.
just put in the comments and Tara will do those for you.
Oh, wherever the comments are for you. There. Oh, there. Ooh, this camera is inverted. It's weird. Do you want to do the Adele one? When we were young? Or do you want to do something else?
Oh, listen to Marcina.
Yes. Do you want the guitar?
Yeah, why not?
Oh, I can't move back. I'm too short. My arms are too short. Here, forward a bit. Yeah. Forward a bit. Bro.
Forward up it.
Forward a bit. Amazing verbal guidance.
Yes, forward up it.
For a bit. Could be anywhere.
All right, what key would you like to do it in? Aye.
If you guys need the lyrics to that one, let me know and I'll send it through somehow.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
Aw.
Yo, shop, matey.
Thanks, matey. Oh, it echoes. Sorry, new sound.
Yeah, let's do that one now.
Yeah. Masina. Sorry. Masina uabaya. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry, bro. This is me zoning out in the middle of trying to do something. Where did Fia put my water bottle? Yeah.
All
Alright. Let's just do it.
Okay,
Beat it.
find
beat
my
it,
mic.
Beat it. This guy on guitar be like. Le masina uabaya ilunga o maunga. Ma fau faunga ele uma. Le masina uabaya ilunga o maunga. Ma fau faunga ele uma. Ta la la la, ta la 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 la. Ta la 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 la. Oli oli, I se wo ai wha maoni. Nei ave tau I le oti. Oli oli, I se wo ai wha maoni. Nei ave tau I le oti. Ta la la la, ta la 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 la. Ta la 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 la. O te musu I se wo ai wha pupu. Nei ave wha se le mutu. O te musu I se wo ai wha pupu. Nei ave wha se le mutu. Ta la la la, I was just sitting here and I was thinking, and I forgot to tell you about my shirt that I'm wearing. This is called Edward Cullen on my shirt. It's a guy from Twilight. But yeah, the Twilight Saga is my life. Yeah, sorry Uncle Morning, but yeah. Anyways, no.
I'm more of
Huh?
check. I'm more of a Team Jake.
No, Team Edward. Team Edward all the way.
Jacob's all the way, mate.
Team Edward. Oh, yeah, Jacob's cool, but like Edward's cooler.
No.
Can I do a song? Can I do Heaven in Your Eyes?
Oh, yeah.
Thanks!
Fine. You do a song by yourself, dude.
Okay, so this song is called Heaven in Your Eyes by Jamie Bauer. He's an amazing actor and singer, in my opinion. And and yeah, I really like his music. And he's coming to New Zealand. Hopefully Mum and Dad will let me go. Nah. But anyways, this is Heaven in Your Eyes by Jamie Bauer. And it was released in 2023 or 2024. But yeah. Before you go, walk out the door to get to land you've been looking for. And before you leave and say your goodbyes, just turn around and look in my eyes and just give me one last kiss. I need to turn over loose before them angels take you off to the sky. And just give me one last look, darling, the hold you took gave us a heaven. Now don't you see me cry? I'll just cut it short. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm looking for the next verse.
Kind of forgot the next word. Oh, man, la. But
Now if you're watching.
sorry, Jamie, bro. Wait, before you go, walk
What
out the
about
door.
that?
Get to there.
Okay.
You're looking for. Before, I think it's the same. Nah. You know what? Jamie, if you're watching, I'm so sorry. I do love your music and your acting. I'm so sorry, bro. Don't put this on me like this. But yeah, Jamie, yeah. Sorry, bro. This is me.
Okay, let's do. Oh, let's not an oldie but a goodie, eh?
What's that? Oh. Tima.
That one? Yeah.
Oh, could have been, yeah. That I was just saying, oldie but a goodie. I remember that line from Tina. It's an oldie but a goodie.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, Annabella. Nah. Imagine. This is Coat of Many Colors by Dolly Parton. It was my Nan's favorite song. Back through the years, I go wandering once again. Back to the seasons of my youth. I recall a box of rags that someone gave us, and how my mama put the rags to use. There were rags of many colors, and every piece was small, and I didn't have a coat, and it was sewed the rags together, sewing every piece with love. She made my coat of many colors that I was so proud of. As she sewed, she told a story from the Bible she had read about a coat of many colors Joseph wore, and then she said, perhaps this coat will bring you good luck and happiness. And I just couldn't wait to wear it, and Mama blessed it with a kiss. My coat of many colors that my mama made for me, made only from rags, but I wore it so proudly. Although we had no money, well, I was rich as I could be, in my coat of many colors my mama made for me. So with patches on my breeches and holes in both my shoes, in my coat of many colors, I hurried off to school, just to find the others laughing and making fun of me, in my coat of many colors my mama made for me. And no, I couldn't understand it, for I felt I was rich, and I told him all the love my mama sewed in every stitch. And I told him all the story Mama told me what she sewed, and how my coat of many colors was worth more than all their clothes. But they didn't understand it, and I tried to make them see the one is only poor, only if they choose to be. Well, I know we had no money, well, I was rich as I could be, in my coat of many colors my mama made for me, made just for me. Yay! A little bit of Dolly Parton,
A little bit of Dolly.
a little bit of Dolly, little bit of Dolly,
A little bit of Dot.
Dolly.
One more song, eh?
I have to jump off, but I'll get there. Thank you, matey. Thank you for coming and
cheers, matey.
watching. Hope you have a good night. And if anyone, yeah, one more song. Oh, dun, 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 dun. I was over 22. I forget the time. Sorry.
Well,
Wait, we could. Oh no, because I don't need a sort of. I was over 22. Forget the time.
what's another one?
He was. Oh, okay. Should we do the Adele one, or should we just leave that one?
Yeah. What's another one? What's another
Cause
one we
some
haven't done?
things I'll never know. I can hear your voice ring through the air. Do you know? You don't know Save Your Seat.
No.
You know All of Me? Should we do All of Me? What would I do without you?
Oh my gosh.
Aww, it's a good song. What would I do without your smile? Drawing me, take me out. Actually, if you don't know.
So,
Focus.
oh gosh, songs are escaping me.
Let's do. Oh, Samona.
Yep.
My lollipop.
Let's do Pedro Lofato. Yeah,
Okay.
do the original, eh?
Okay, this is this is our original Belo Olofatu, darling heart, darling of my heart. Written by my papa and produced by my dad, Michael, and sang by me. Yeah, nah. But yeah. Ole sa.
Yep.
Yeah.
Ooh, now we might go higher.
Hello, Tama. Ole sa mo.
Here we go. Alright, guys, this is our last song. Love you all. Take care. We'll see you next time.
Hello, Tama. Ole sa mo. Masio tina. Ole papalangi. E ai tara ile falawa faapata. O te ai fai. Ile fali fufai. Awa e lua ufa sino manga ile lalolangi. Pele olo ufa tutua ana ia umatua. Ele mawhai o na ngalo i te aura o tō taru singa. Ele aua mawai lau taleni. Ua whai nei mawha manatu i a te au. O te whang o tape ai le sao. Ma se i whai so tai au. Pe au te ono mea sa moa. I say au whai vai leni ula. Pele o lau whatutua ana i au matua. Ele mawhai o na ngalo i te aula o tō tau singa. Ele aua mawai lau taleni. Ua whai nei mawha manatu i a te au. Pele o lau whatutua ana i au matua. Ele mawhai o na ngalo i te aula o tō tau singa. Ele aua mawai lau taleni. Ua whai nei mawha manatu i a te au.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you,
Good
everyone.
night.
Thank you for coming on and as we said in the live, drop any suggestions for next time. But yeah, love you guys
See you
and
soon.
good night. See you soon.